What's up, guys and gals? Abby Casey here from Klim, and I'm going to walk you through our brand new Dakar jacket. The Dakar is the ultimate off-road dual sport jacket for demanding rides. This is the jacket you're going to want to have in your gear bag to handle extreme multi-season elements where durable performance is critical. Here's the breakdown in the need to know of the Dakar. Let's talk ventilation. The new vent system is greatly improved with vents located on the biceps, the forearm, 2 back exhaust vents, and a collar tab to open the jacket for full airflow. The sleeves are also completely removable for the extra hot days. The airflow technology goes all the way into the fabric with the Karbonite micromesh, which is a stretch fabric that offers more airflow than a solid weave. On to durability and protection. This jacket is made up of Karbonite ripstop and key abrasion zones that are going to give you protection in key abrasion areas. It's compatible with D3O molecular armor for the elbows, shoulders, and back. These shoulder armor pockets actually stay attached to the sleeves when you remove them. Armor is not included, so you can wear separate body armor underneath the jacket. Visibility, your first wall of defense. Off-road or on the street, visibility will help you stay safer. We put 3M Scotch-Lite cardboard black reflective material in a pattern that helps the human eye identify the shape as another human. This is good for low visibility so people can spot you and recognize you as a person instead of a mailbox or sign. Comfort. As we know, comfort is key to a nice ride, and this jacket fits the bill. With an overall more athletic fit, the back and stretch zones made from a Karbonite micromesh, offering a lightweight jacket with better range of motion. Storage. For those of you who have lots to put in your pockets, the Dakar covers your storage needs. 2 chest pockets, hand pockets, and inner pockets. Along with a rear pocket that's designed to hold the sleeves when you take them off. If you're curious what the upgrades are from the older Dakar, here's what you need to know. More streamlined and comfortable fit. Micromesh adds a ton more airflow. Shoulder armor pockets, plus back and elbow pockets that are compatible with optional L1 and L2 D3O. Coreways kit available with Dakar jersey and pant. And the last upgrade, the 3M Scotch-Lite Carbonite black reflective that's not shiny until it's illuminated. Let us know what you think of the new and improved Dakar jacket in the comments. And if you would like to read further into this product, head over to Klim.com. For Klim, I'm Abby Casey.